Hey guys, welcome back. We have another Lychee Pro tutorial. Today we have a new issue. Long weapons with low clearance. Let's take a look at that awesome spear. I do like this character. This is a human female fighter. This is one of M3DM's. I'll have a link in the description below. I don't like floating characters miles away, but in situations like hers, unless I want to use chubby little supports, we don't really have much of a choice. But we can try some alternate orientations and I'll show you exactly what I mean. Some people starting out with 3D printing will find this very frustrating. And honestly, it is a frustrating issue, but something you can overcome just with orientation. Set our raft, and then we'll do our island check. Now see, there's no room whatsoever to build any support underneath that. So we can't do this. It's not going to work. The spear is literally one of the first things that touches the build plate. So you just can't have this configuration, just won't work. We either need to move her up or we need to tilt her away, or both. Now, as you can see, that isn't much better, but that's some improvement. You could work with it. But no. We need to reorient and lift. Mostly just lift. Because even if we adjust the tip length, make it like the super chubbiest little support ever, it's just not going to be ideal. So we'll go back to our layout and then we'll just do what I don't like to do, which is lift them up a bit. And then we'll just have to make sure that she's cradled enough under her feet. Alright, that's a lot better. It's not perfect, but much better. Something I will always make note of is that models are always full of little issues like this. They make them very pleasing to look at, but much harder to print and support. Something as simple as a wrinkle in a cape can make a tiny island that is impossible to print or support properly. And that happens all the time. Alright, let's go ahead and work around the islands. Then we'll support the remainder of the model as well. This is a small 30mm model, so we don't need anything heavier than a light or super light here. At some point I may have changed my tip as well, so we may have some adjusted tips here as well. Usually I use between 3.10 and a 3.44 for my lights. Sometimes I'll adjust, so you'll see the tip length adjust for some of the supports, especially the ones that are closer to the ground. So All right, we need to make sure and finish all the supports. Need to make sure we have enough support around the back, the front. Cape is supported on the bottom, as well as graduation going up to make sure that it does not have any deformation or pancaking happening with it. We're also eventually going to add bracing. That's usually the last step once I've done all the major supports. Yeah, that'll be it for this one. So thanks again for watching. Give us a sub, like, comment. We do appreciate it. Any engagements we can get from you guys. Let us know what you want to see. If there's anything particular you want to get any more information on about lychee and the way it works, the different supporting styles, different methods, stuff like that. Why I use the different sizes I use for different types of models. Things like that. We can have more in-depth videos like that. I'd love to share a lot of the knowledge that I have learned with you guys. So definitely let me know what you want to see. And thanks again. See y'all soon.